There are several styles of clips used by dishwasher manufacturers to secure the upper rack in place. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove 3 different styles of clips. If you find that none of these are the style you have, please comment with the brand of dishwasher so I can make a video with those.
Let's take a look at how we take these racks out. So the trick on this is to get your tabs off. Different dishwashers have these things come undone in different ways.
Take a look at this a little closer. With this Maytag dishwasher, you pull here and it pops right out. See that? Just hinges right out. Takes a little pressure. Once that's done, you can pull it out. Take a look at cleaning a Maytag Quiet Series 300 dishwasher. To remove your upper basket, there's some tabs on each side here. Push in, you slide out this locking device, and that'll let you get this upper basket out. So you've got a little more room to get in the dishwasher and work.
This is a GE Triton XL. To remove the dish basket, you just need to pop this tab out. On this particular style, you just need this little flathead. Pry the tab and slide it out. If you happen to break these, they're fairly inexpensive to replace. You can probably pick some up on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Some also have a style that inside there's a notch that you need to pry back from the inside of this rack. Once you've taken out the stops on both sides, then you can pull the rack right out and set it over to the side. I've included an Amazon affiliate link in the description in case you need to buy new dishwasher clips. Be sure to get clips for your dishwasher brand and model. Please comment with any questions you have, or let me know if you have a brand of dishwasher with a different style clip so I can make a video with those. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and have a great day.